glasses. No, they're old. I lost my other ones, which sucked, but I'm getting used to these. So, hi. Sorry for not posting any art video or whatever. I promise I actually been like doing more artwork, but I haven't been posting them. I'm on spring break, so hopefully that can change.
Can you put this? Hi.
¿Vas a comprar agua,
Sí,
sodas y la leña?
Sí. Are you excited, Ivan?
Yeah, I haven't been to a beach in a while.
No, me either.
So, wait.
And I'm glad it's not super hot, but then again, it's kind of cold.
No, it's perfect. We're going to the beach, by the way. That's why.
We're vlogging.
Yeah.
We're going to Mission Beach. We're going to have a bonfire.
Yes.
You want Doritos?
Yeah, either the ranch or the nacho cheese. Any of those was fine. I'm not complaining.
Huh?
You ranch?
I like ranch, but I also like nacho cheese. Either one's fine.
We already have Cheetos.
So, ranch. You have napkins?
Yes.
Okay. To keep them cold, I guess.
You want to cool it?
So we got the stuff. The parking not that well. Don't forget me.
No, not anymore.
You found wood.
Oh!
Whoa.
I found it. There's no use.
Wow.
Golden hour.
So update what happened? What's it?
Huh?
What happened?
Well, I just went in the water. Pretty freaking cold. Got hypothermia. No, I'm just kidding. We got out, we're drying out. We just went to the bathroom. They were dirty.
Yes.
Kind of gross. Yeah, but we're good now. We're walking back to our place.
So I'm looking for treasure.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Is that your mating call?
Yeah.
That was
You think they're gonna set our fire pit?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
We should move it.
Move the fire pit over here? Hey guys, it's Monse and I just got out of the water again and I'm freezing again, but it's okay because we live in California. That's why the beach is here, you know?
Yeah. Too bad we're not on Oceanside.
Oh yeah.
That would be amazing. Hopefully the seagulls are not back.
I didn't think they're still open. I didn't think they're still open.
Saturday.
The water's like
Yeah, this is the wood they have.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we have. They're helping me set it up. I think you left the other ones in the car.
Yeah, I did.
So what happened is I was getting my blanket. I was walking back, and this family, like an old couple or something with their family, they're like, "Oh, miss, do you want our fire?" I'm like, "Excuse me?" They're like, "Do you want our fire? We're gonna leave." And I'm like, "Yes." So like, they took the wood that we had and they helped me set it up, and that's what happened. So I basically brought the fire thanks to me because I was fucking cold. I got my blanket back, but like, I got fire in return, y'all. I basically saved the day. See, I saved the day. Todoroki, where are you?
Someone told me that you were not even like fucking on the register.
I'm almost 19. I'm almost 19. I can just lie.
I know.
My birthday's actually next Thursday, so I
Oh
can.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, happy.
my mom's
Thank
been
you.
on video.
Thank you. So the police shut down another bonfire that was happening behind me. Like, it closed at 11 and it's not 11 yet, so they cannot kick us out because we're no part of that bonfire and we're far away from it. So I think it's college students, but I heard there's like middle schoolers there too. So yeah, I can see that. And they said anyone anyone under 18 or something, either under 18 or over 18, they're gonna get arrested. And I'm almost 19, so I'm like, bitch, no, I can't. And I'm the oldest one here, so I was like, they're gonna look at me like, you're like 16. It's like, bitch.
You guys, and I was like, I just didn't say anything at all.
Yeah.
Wait, can you explain what happened?
Party got fucking raided. That shit got out of control. Too lit.
Too
Hella
late.
bottles and shit.
Oh my god. It's too late.